You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce those two words once and for all correctly. They are confusing, and I know there are many different ways people pronounce those, so let's clear things up. The top word here is an adjective, okay? Two different ways of pronouncing it. Temporary, that's British English pronunciation. Temporary, or the Americans say it as temporary, American English, okay? Temporary or temporary. Now the bottom word here is an adverb, so that's the difference between the two. The pronunciation of the bottom word here in British English and American English is more commonly as temporarily. Some say it as temporarily as well. Temporarily or temporarily. Could you hear the difference between the two? You can replay this video to any section of it to make sure you did. Let me know in the comments whether this was useful. I'll see you soon. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.